Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a new product for review. And in today's video we are going to review the DMart White Vatana. So along with the mixed chana Vatana, I also bought a packet of white Vatanas. So white Vatanas I bought because I like eating ragda patties, and this is a perfect white Vatana. I have been using this for quite some time, and they boil really nice and soft, and they don't actually become very smashed also. So when you cook them in a cooker, they are perfect. They retain their shape as well. So yeah, starting off with the packaging, guys. The packaging, it comes in a very simple packaging right here with the DMart Premium branding on top. It says Vatana White 500 grams. That's the net weight of this, and very simple packaging. You can see the Vatanas from the packet from the outside as well. So they look really nice. Moving on to the back of the pack, they are given the packaging date, the use by date, and the net quantity, and the MRP of this product is rupees 59 for half kg. So yeah, like I said, you all can use these Vatanas to make ragda, to make ussal, and even boil them and have them as snack. They taste really nice, and it's a very nutritious food. So do include it in your diet, and it is very helpful for your body. And guys, you all can go ahead and buy it from DMart. It's available in DMart, and now DMart is also available online, so you can order it online as well. So yeah, this is my review about it. So if you all like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.